We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India.
Hello. Today we have discussed the theory of wave propagation that can be traveled in the good conductor. So, what is the characteristics of good conductor? Theory we have rewrite here wave propagation. Wave propagation in good conductor. So, first of all, what is the characteristics of conductor? Answer is that sigma upon omega epsilon, which is very greater than 1, means what? Conductivity is large. Conductivity is large, so it is known as conductor material. Now, what is the equation of propagation constant? Propagation constant, which is known as gamma. Propagation constant, which is known as gamma. Gamma equal to j omega mu bracket by sigma plus j omega epsilon. Now, gamma equal to under root of j omega mu sigma minus omega square mu epsilon. Now, sigma is always large for conductor material. So, gamma equal to under root j omega mu sigma. Neglect this term. Why? Because here sigma is always greater than with respect to omega epsilon. So j omega mu epsilon. So under root of omega mu epsilon bracket ma j. So here we can write under root omega mu sigma at the rate bracket ma 1 at the angle of 90 degree. Why? Because j can be considered as an imaginary part. So it can be considered as an angle of 90 degree. So here omega mu sigma at the right angle of what is the square root of 90? 45 degree. At the right angle of 45 degree. So omega mu sigma cos 45 plus j sin 45. Angle can be converted into normal value. So here propagation constant theory can be included here in terms of cos and sin. So for gamma equal to under root of omega mu sigma bracket ma 1 upon root 2 plus j upon root 2. So omega equal to 2 pi f. So here under root pi f mu sigma plus j under root pi f mu sigma. So gamma equal to alpha plus j beta. Gamma equal to alpha plus j beta. So alpha equal to under root of pi f mu sigma and beta equal to under root pi f mu sigma. Compare this equation number 1 and 2 with each other. So we can get alpha and beta. So it is the characteristics of wave propagation in good conductor. Now, skin depth. Skin depth means what? Skin depth means what? Delta equal to 1 upon alpha equal to 1 upon beta equal to under root of 1 upon pi f mu sigma. It is the characteristics of delta which is known as skin depth. 37% wave can be degraded or quality of wave can be degraded when EM wave travel from transmitter to receiver. EM wave travel from transmitter to receiver. So it is known as skin effect. So this is the complete theory of wave propagation in good conductor. Already we have completed the wave propagation in free space, wave propagation in good conductor, wave propagation in lossy dielectric medium, Poynting vector theorem. Total 4 topics discussed in the YouTube channel of me particular, Jaimin Sanghani. So please carefully see and try to prepare in GTU examination very well mode. If you don't understand, then tell me in contact in the social media or WhatsApp number. So please refer this very carefully. Skin effect, 37% quality of wave can be degraded when EM wave can be propagated in the medium. It is known as skin effect, skin death, and it can be identified in the conductor material. It can be identified in the conductor material, so it is known as skin effect. Delta equal to 1 upon alpha equal to 1 upon beta equal to under root 1 upon pi f mu sigma. So this is the entire derivation. Thank you very much.
Report.